Speed test for the OmniShaver here. Now I've been using this for a couple months now. I've probably gotten a good at least 20 shaves out of it, and it is hands down the best razor I've ever used. It's very well lasting, and it's just the easiest shaver I've ever used to shave my head. Now I haven't changed anything about my shave routine since I started using it. Everything works just the same. So I'll start my speed test for you. One real nice thing about it is you don't have to rinse it out between strokes. Now, with all the other razors I've used, it was pretty much guaranteed every time that I would get at least one nick in my head. And since I've used this, I haven't gotten any. And there you have it. Easy as that.